Alright, what's up? Huh? Oh, I'm doing a little video real quick. I don't really know what I'm saying or whatever. Alright, so, what's up you guys? So we just got back. I have no idea what the dog's doing. But, so we just got back to the house here. We were at the bridal fair, which I'm not going to tell you exactly just yet what I was doing there. So I have a real big favor to ask for y'all. And so tomorrow's my birthday. Alright, and I would be so grateful if you guys would just, you know, just like send to one person, or, you know, just like, hey, check this dude out, subscribe, you know, just get me to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I'm only like 19 shy. So only 19 of you have to, you know, help me out. And I would be so appreciative of it, you know, and that would be just the best birthday present I can get. So other than that, upcoming giveaway. So I've got this, alright, so when you are applying for sponsorships, make sure you fully read and fully understand what the company does before you apply to the sponsorship. So that way you're not in this awkward situation of when they say, yes, we're going to support you, you know, and then you look at their site and you're like, they really don't have that much to do with what I do. So, you know, that's on me. And honestly, I thought about just dropping them because they just don't have that much to do with me. And then I was like, no, I'm like, you know, it's my mess up. I'm like, I had this plan where I was going to buy a bike and build a bike for them just so I can promote their stuff. But due to unavoidable circumstances, which I will talk about very, very soon, I cannot financially afford to build a bike for the sponsor right now. So what I'm going to do for them, you know, it's Factory FX, and, you know, they are a great company. My cousin uses them. I know several people that use them. I can't remember Brian, he actually has a YFZ 450F, or YZ 450F, something like that, don't judge me, that he actually uses, you know, uses a lot of them, so it's a really good company. And so just kind of, I'm going to give my dog away, for real. Hey!
She's not near you, Daddy.
So, you know, what I'm going to do for them, because I haven't been showing them quite as much love as I need to. I don't know if I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. No more than 3, because my wife will murder me. Addie, come here. Addie, come here. Addie, come here. Come here. Hey. Addie. Well, come here. Well, come here. No, Maisie. Maisie, go. Addie. Addie, come here. Addie. Come here. Hi. Come here. Come here. Sit. Okay. No, sit down. Quit being awkward. Come here. Okay, so I've got my co-star. Her name is Addie, and she's the B y Basenji. So how's it going, Addie, huh? Are you grumpy tonight? So, oh, are they too close to you? So anyways, I'm going to be giving away at least 1 t-shirt. I'd like to give away 3, but it just depends on, yeah, it just depends on, I haven't really checked how much I can or can't give away, you know, so I can probably do Addie. Okay, Addie says I can do 2. So anyways, in the way, my word, this dog is so bitchy. Shh. So as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll do it on this video. Just people that comment, that, you know, you just share this video. Just comment below, be like, I shared, and that puts you in the running. And then when I hit 1,000, I'll go on and do the auto generator or whatever, or we might go old school and we might print it and put a little bird box and spin it, you know. But that sounds like a whole lot of work. But so yeah, so that's how you win. And it would be awesome if on my birthday tomorrow that, you know, I just have 1,000 subscribers. Just 19 of you need to say, hey dude, you know, just text your buddy, be like, hey, subscribe to this dude. He's kind of full of, you know, but whatever, he's pretty cool. Or this dude sucks, you know, watch him. I don't care what you tell him. But, or just do it for this little cute face. Come on, Addie, be cute. Be cute. Give me some subscribers. Good job, good job. So anyways, so thank y'all. Please, please share and subscribe. And yeah, thumbs up. Thank you guys. Get out of here. Oh my gosh.